A black hole could destroy the entire solar system long before anyone even realizes it's here. And that's the terrifying part. Right now, something completely invisible could already be moving toward the sun. No alarms, no warning, just a silent gravitational predator crossing the darkness of space. But here's the strange part. A black hole isn't some giant cosmic vacuum cleaner. It's actually smaller than most people imagine. The real danger is its gravity. Everything it touches loses the fight. Scientists believe there could be trillions upon trillions of black holes scattered throughout the universe. Some sit quietly at the centers of galaxies. Others don't. Some become rogues, homeless wanderers drifting through interstellar space. And this raises an unsettling question. What if one of them was heading directly toward us? The first victim wouldn't be Earth. It would be the Oort Cloud, a distant shell of icy objects surrounding our solar system. As the black hole entered this region, countless frozen worlds would be thrown from their orbits like cosmic debris. But you still wouldn't see the monster itself. Not yet. And this is where it gets weird. The black hole would remain completely invisible until it reached Neptune and Uranus. Then something impossible would appear in the sky. Their atmospheres would begin stretching away from the planets. Gigantic streams of gas would spiral into darkness. A glowing ring of superheated material would form around the black hole. An accretion disk, a beacon announcing the arrival of destruction. For the first time, humanity would see the thing that was about to erase everything. But that's not even the craziest part. As the black hole moved deeper into the solar system, the night sky would begin to change. One planet at a time. One disappearance at a time. First Neptune, then Uranus, then Saturn, then Jupiter. Entire worlds would simply vanish. Imagine looking up at the sky and realizing a planet you've seen your entire life is gone. Forever. What happens next changes everything. The rocky planets wouldn't survive either. Mercury, Venus, Mars. Each one would be torn apart and swallowed. At this point, you might assume Earth is next. But that's where the story takes a shocking turn. Earth's destruction wouldn't be the main event. The sun would. As the black hole approached our star, most people would expect a dramatic collision. One giant cosmic gulp. But reality is far stranger. The black hole wouldn't immediately swallow the sun. Instead, it would slowly unravel it. Like pulling a thread from a sweater. Massive streams of solar gas would stretch into space. The sun would literally begin coming apart. Piece by piece. Hour by hour. Day by day. And this is where it gets terrifying. Every fragment ripped away would superheat and spiral around the black hole. The accretion disk would grow brighter, hotter, deadlier. The sky would become dominated by a glowing monster feeding on our star. Then comes the twist nobody sees coming. As the sun dies, the black hole could become far brighter than the sun itself, possibly trillions of times brighter. The thing destroying our solar system would become its brightest object. And that's when things changed. For 8 minutes, humanity wouldn't know the sun was gone. That's how long sunlight takes to reach Earth. The star could already be dead while everyone continues their normal day. But here's the strange part. When the truth finally arrives, survival is already impossible. Violent bursts of ultraviolet radiation and X-rays would slam into Earth. The atmosphere would struggle to protect us. The surface would become increasingly hostile. Yet radiation wouldn't be our biggest problem. Gravity would. The solar system depends on a delicate balance centered around the sun. Remove that balance, and chaos takes over. Planetary orbits would destabilize. Earth would be pulled and stretched by immense tidal forces. The ground beneath our feet would begin to break. Earthquakes would strike with unimaginable power. Volcanoes would erupt across continents. Mega tsunamis would sweep across oceans. Civilization would collapse in a matter of moments. And this is where it gets weird. There are two possible endings. Neither is good. Earth could be ripped apart completely, shattered into countless fragments. Or it could be flung into deep space. A frozen, lifeless world drifting endlessly through darkness. But even that isn't the worst-case scenario. Because the black hole is still there, waiting. Eventually, Earth, its debris, and everything humanity ever built would spiral into the accretion disk, pulled toward the ultimate unknown. A place where physics itself begins to break down. And here's the question that keeps scientists awake at night. If we ever cross the edge of a black hole, would we actually see the end coming? Or would something even stranger be waiting on the other side?